Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Drownviper from Godzilla x Kong. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Drownviper from Godzilla x Kong, let's begin with the eye. I want to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve above it. Then I'm going to make a couple little broken lines kind of right around the eye like that. Then I want to make a little bump for the eyebrow. Now, starting up here, we're going to work on the mouth. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come down, and then back like this for the mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then out like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this over to here and then kind of curve it down. Now, right here, let's make a little curved line for the mouth, and then a couple little extra lines. Next, I'm going to bring this line down like this, and I'm going to bring this up. Then starting here, let's bring this line over, and then let's kind of curve it in for the jaw. Then I want to put a bunch of sharp teeth in here. So I'm going to put some different size teeth in here because the teeth are all different sizes inside this Drownviper. So you can make some big, make some small, however you want to do it. We're just going to put a lot of sharp teeth in there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of curved lines just to kind of show where there's a little bit of like a bend. Now, starting up here, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this around like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down and curve it back up. Then I'm going to bring this line up again and then down towards the corner of my paper. Next, I want to draw the same shape in here. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to bring this line over, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it down. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then we're going to bring this down. I want to make it a little bit skinnier and kind of come to a point at the end. Now, up here, I want to make it's kind of like big, crazy, pointy fin. So I'm going to begin just by making a line that's going to come up to a point, kind of curves, and that's going to come back. I'm going to make another one here. I'm going to make a taller one right there. I'm going to make a really big one here. Now I'm going to make a couple smaller ones right here. Next, I'm going to connect these. So I'm just going to draw lines that's going to curve up and down. And another one here. And we're just going to connect all these with a little curve right in between them. And then up here, I'm going to make two little points right here for some more. Now, starting down here, I'm going to make this long, kind of broken line that's going to go all the way down the whole body of our Drownviper, all the way to the tail. Next, I want to add some spikes. So I'm going to add just little pointed spikes all the way around here. So we're just going to go all the way down the whole body of the Drownviper. So we're just going to put these little spikes all the way across here. And we're going to bring these all the way to about here. Next, down here, I want to make the tail. So to draw the tail, we're just going to put these spikes on each side. So I'm going to begin here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and in. Make another one here. And then I'm just going to keep doing this. I'm going to make them a little smaller as they get towards the point. I'll do the same thing here. Just going to make these long, kind of skinny points. And then similar to what we did up here, I'm just going to connect these with these curved lines. And this will kind of give it a little bit more of like a fin look, kind of like what you'd see on a fish. So we're just going to connect these with these curved lines, and we'll connect this part here too at the end. Now, up here by the face, I'm going to make this line that's just going to curve up here towards the eye, and then it's going to come back down. I'm going to color that in, just to kind of make it look like there's a little detail that goes up there. And I'm also going to make the tongue. So to draw the tongue, let's just draw a line that's going to curve up and then down like this. And we're going to bring this back. And then I'm going to put these little sharp points onto the tongue, since the tongue has all those little like points on it. Now I want to come in here and add some different details on here. So one of the things I want to add is let's add some little kind of wrinkles that are going to go right up here by the face and then over here by the jaws. And I'm just going to add a couple of those right around there. Then I'm going to make a few more kind of wrinkly little kind of broken lines that are going to come right around here. I'm going to make some long kind of lines coming down. And I'll do a few kind of little broken lines around here. And then I'm going to make these kind of curved broken lines. They're just going to come up and down the body here in some different spots. And this just kind of gives it a little bit more of like a rounded textured look. And we're going to do this all the way across until we get to the tail. Now I'm going to add some little lines into these little spaces by the tail, just to give it a little bit of detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Drownviper from Godzilla X Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.